Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off new followers notification on Threads on Android. Are you tired of receiving notifications every time someone follows you on Threads? Well, this feature allows you to turn off new followers notifications, ensuring that you receive notifications only for the things that matter to you. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that using just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log in to Threads. The first step is to open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access the settings. Next, tap on your profile picture, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to access the settings. Step 3. Access notifications in the settings. Select the Notifications option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your notification preferences on Threads. Step 4. Access following and followers in the notification settings. Select the Following and Followers option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your notification preferences for new followers. Step 5. Turn off new followers notifications. In the Following and Followers settings, you can choose to turn off new followers notifications. Simply toggle the switch next to New Followers to turn off the notifications. Conclusion. And that's it. You have successfully turned off new followers notification on Threads on Android using just a few simple steps. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you want to receive only the notifications that matter to you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.